Breaking news just coming in. Rahul Gandhi chairs opposition meeting. Sources say that the opposition most likely to boycott Rajya Sabha in case suspension is not revoked. Opposition parties are going to be meeting Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu over the suspension of 12 Rajya Sabha MPs for the remaining part of the current session. That's big breaking coming in at the moment. Supriya Bhardwaj is now joining us for the latest details on this breaking news coming in. Supriya, what's going on? Is there going to be a question of any kind of an apology coming in? And in case not, then what happens?
As far as opposition is concerned, it is firm that they are not going to apologize. They are saying that they will be going and meeting the chairman of the Rajya Sabha and demanding that the suspension was not correct and it should be revoked of these 12 MPs. At the same time, also Rahul Gandhi is chairing this important meeting where there are 16 members of various opposition parties present. Interestingly, TRS and Aam Aadmi Party leaders were also present. We are hearing from the opposition quarter that in case the suspension is not revoked, then also they have a plan in place. They are going to protest inside and outside the parliament. At the same time, there's also another meeting going on which is being chaired by the Prime Minister, that is of the government. Prime Minister is also taking stock of the situation because both sides are saying that they want the House to run very smoothly. They want discussions and debates. But when it comes to reality...
We are cutting straight across to the upper house of the parliament, dipping in live to see what's going on.
उत्पादन से संबंधित है। माननीय मंत्री भारत सरकार ने बहुत अच्छा उसका उत्तर दिया है। भारत सरकार उस दिशा में बहुत काम कर रही है। मैं बुंदेलखंड क्षेत्र से आता हूं।
यूथ एंड स्पोर्ट्स डॉक्टर विनय सहस्त्रबुद्धे।
सर, मैं आपकी अनुमति से विभाग संबंधित शिक्षा, महिला, बाल, युवा और खेल स्थायी समिति के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदनों की एक-एक प्रति अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूं। स्कूली पाठ्यपुस्तकों और की विषय वस्तु और डिजाइन में सुधार संबंधी 331वां प्रतिवेदन, युवा कार्यक्रम और खेल मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों से संबंधित कार्रवाई संबंधी 332वां प्रतिवेदन और महिला एवं बाल विकास मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों से संबंधित कार्रवाई के विषय में 333वां प्रतिवेदन।
रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट रीड पार्लियामेंट स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑन रेलवे श्री नरहर यमीन।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध रेलवे संबंधी स्थायी समिति के भारतीय रेल की
leaders are planning to meet the Rajya Sabha chair Venkaiah Naidu. Let's go straight across to Supriya, who has more details. Supriya, get us some information. What are your sources saying about the meeting that has been chaired by Rahul Gandhi and how the opposition is most likely to boycott the Rajya Sabha in case suspension of those MPs is not revoked?
Well, Chaiti, a lot of opposition party leaders were of the view that they have to boycott the session at least today, the Rajya Sabha session, and they are saying that in case around 12 noon they will be going and meeting chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. In case the suspension is not revoked, then they will be rolling out their next strategy where they will protest, they'll be coming and speaking to the media. At the same time also, we are hearing from the opposition quarters that the reason that they are citing for the suspension of these leaders is not of the unruly behavior. Whether it was Manoj Jha of the RJD, whether it was Abhishek Manu Singhvi of the Congress party and many other opposition leaders, they are saying that the real reason they are claiming it is that the government wants to manage the numbers in Rajya Sabha, and that's why 12 of the opposition MPs were suspended, so that the crucial bills which are going to come in the entire remaining session is passed without much delay, and it is passed in a very smooth fashion. So this is what the opposition is alleging. They are levelling allegations against the government. They are saying that in order to get their bills passed, which are some of them are very controversial in nature, they are citing the privatization of the public bank being one such bill where the opposition will be coming together and cornering the government. They are saying there are other bills also which the government wants to pass smoothly in Rajya Sabha. That's why these MPs have been suspended. As far as this meeting is concerned, we are hearing that not just the strategy in the Rajya Sabha, but even the Lok Sabha was also discussed at length. Many of the opposition leaders from Lok Sabha were were present. Rahul Gandhi, for the first time in this very session, has chaired this meeting. There were 16 MPs from 16 different parties. The MPs were present, and these 16 parties are decided that first they will see what happened in that crucial meeting at 12 noon between the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha and the opposition leaders of the Rajya Sabha, and then they will roll out the next strategy, which includes boycotting, protests, addressing media, and who knows, even going and meeting the president of the country. This is President Kovind.
All right, Supriya, you stay with us, and yeah, she's getting us all the latest details right there. Amidst all of this, what is going on inside the parliament? If you could just get us a bit of a sense of what is taking place inside the parliament. Yesterday, of course, if we can just encapsulate for our viewers, the 3 Farm Law Repeal bill was passed in the lower house of the parliament, in the upper house of the parliament. At the moment, what's going on, Supriya?
तो जो तमाम 16 विपक्षी पार्टियां हैं कांग्रेस समेत, वो राज्यसभा का बहिष्कार करेंगी, ऐसी जानकारी उस बैठक से निकलकर सामने आई। दूसरी तरफ जो टीएमसी है उसने भी इस बैठक
Supriya, can you hear me?
Yes, Chaiti.
If you could bring us up to speed in terms of what's going on at the moment in the Rajya Sabha as we speak.
Well, the Rajya Sabha is the business as usual. There's the question now where they are, as far as they are and where the MPs raise up important issues. One issue is being that of the Lakhimpur Kheri. There have been notices which have been given by the opposition leaders. They are coming up with these issues which needs to be taken up. But what you're seeing at the moment is like, it's a very smooth sailing functioning of the Rajya Sabha, but it is just the tip of the iceberg. Many of the experts are saying that around 12 noon, when the opposition leaders are going to meet the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, it is going to be a massive showdown between the government and the opposition. On one hand is Prime Minister, who is chairing a very important meeting with the cabinet ministers and discussing as to how to ensure the smooth functioning of the parliament. On the other hand is Rahul Gandhi, who is heading the opposition party's leaders meeting and charting out the strategy as to how to corner the government on the issue of the suspension of the 12 MPs in Rajya Sabha, and at the same time also in Lok Sabha, Congress along with other opposition parties is planning to raise the issue of price rise. They are demanding a short discussion on the entire issue. They are saying the government has to roll back the prices of diesel and petrol, and they have to ensure that the excise duty should be revert to that of the 2013 figures. So this is what we are seeing. 2 important meetings taking place, one on the government side, one on the opposition side, chaired by 2 very important leaders of the country.
Opposition leaders were suspended against the rules of the House as this was dependent on the conduct which was taken place in the last session.
Well, yes, this is what the opposition is saying. The opposition is saying that the decision which was taken on the basis of the incident that took place on the last day of the monsoon session. And why they
Sit down. He is capable of
placing
it before the House.
Sir, you're not allowing it. 1 minute.
I allowed him. Are you going to dictate to me?
Nobody is going to dictate. How can we dictate you?
Right.
Sir,
So,
the rules of council persistently and willfully obstructing the business of the House. Only after naming of such member, the chairman shall put a question on a motion being made under sub-rule 2 of Rule 256. Hence, the suspension of any member, there are 2 parameters which have to be adhered to. Firstly, the naming of the members by a chairman is required prior to their suspension. Only thereafter, the motion of suspension of members so named can be moved. More importantly, this procedure is relevant only on the date of occurrence of the alleged disregard or disorderly conduct of a member.
Right.
However, yesterday, sir, you were
I
not
understood.
there.
No, please.
So I am bringing to your notice 1 minute.
Yeah, please.
Half second.
No. Take half a minute. No problem.
No, 1 minute.
Make the point.
Alleged disregard to disorderly conduct of the member. However, yesterday the motion for suspension of members was moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for their alleged disorderly conduct which took place during the previous session. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day. bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct
Right.
is not in order.
Right, sir.
The
Once
unprecedented
I heard
and
you,
undemocratic
I heard you in
is a
rapt
blatant
attention.
violation of the rules.
Right. I
Sir,
heard you,
we demand
Kharge ji, please.
This suspension of 12 members may kindly be revoked. I
Right.
request you, sir.
Please.
And no, we came to your house
if you-
and, sir, 1 minute. We, all members came to your house. We requested you to revoke it and it has been done selectively. There are some members, nothing to do with this, but this incident happened in last session. How can you take this?
Right.
So,
I heard the
please
LOP.
revoke it.
Let me clearly clarify
revoke
it
it.
for the
I-
sake of the
I
understanding
see-
of the House as well as the nation. The Rajya Sabha is a continuing institution. And the chairman of the House of the Rajya Sabha is empowered 256, 259, 266, even other residuary powers also. Chairman can take action and also the House can take action. What happened yesterday is not chairman taking action. It is the House, after a resolution is moved,
No,
that
sir.
has taken action. And also, no, please, hear me, please, hear me. Even about these members, on 10th August, go through the records. If you want, I will ask that to be released again. 10th, we have named members. On 10th, we have named members. We have requested them also to go to their respective seats. I appealed. Please, Ramesh, when the chair is speaking, you are not supposed to disturb him. I heard the LOP. Right. Okay. Not the House except the opposition, some opposition parties. Okay. I agreed. And then 1 minute coming. No, please sit down, no, please. When a chair is speaking, don't interrupt him. It will not go on record. I will not call you again. And I heard him fully. These people on 10th August go through the proceedings of the House. The deputy chairman made appeal number of times. Sometimes even took the names also. Later also it was in the bulletin also it was published about the people who are engaged in this act. And 11th, no, you say no. You say no. I am not doing it. Please. What is this? What is this? What is this? Please sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Mr. Venugopal. This is not the way. See, you try to mislead the House. You disturbed the House. You ransacked the table and you also throw the papers on the chair and also you have got, some of them have gone down to the table and then you are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. So this is not the way. The motion was moved. It was approved. Action is taken. It is final. If the members who have committed this sacrilege against the House, they have not expressed any remorse. On the other hand, they are justifying. And so I don't think the appeal of the leader of opposition is worth considering. I am not considering it at all. I am not considering. Juror about the flood situation. Juror Mr. G.K. Vasan. Issue of heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Vasan. Please sit down. Please sit down. Very important issue. Very important issue.
This is a matter
Yes,
of
what happened in the House earlier was a matter of democracy. That's why action is taken.
I called the members to hear this. Tamil Nadu is reeling under heavy rains for the past 1 month. The state of Tamil Nadu
Mr.
is severely
Vasan,
affected.
that has been disposed of. Please sit down. Please sit down, Mr. Suraj Sivan and Bitter. Please sit down. Otherwise, I have to.
All right, Supriya is now joining us. Supriya, we are getting those visuals coming in from the Rajya Sabha. There is fair amount of ruckus that ensued in the Rajya Sabha over those suspended members apologizing is concerned, Lok Sabha, of course, on the other side, stands to be adjourned till 2 p.m. I'm going to throw straight across to you because there have been many comments that are coming in from the opposition party leaders. One, of course, Kharge going on to say that the MPs were suspended against the rules of the House as the incident occurred during the last session, plus many more tweets that have been put out by opposition leaders. What is the likely path going forward at the moment?
Well, the daggers and the swords have been drawn, Chaiti, as far as the opposition and the government is concerned on the issue of suspension of these 12 MPs. What we have just heard in the House is that Mallikarjun Kharge said that we have reached out to your office requesting you to suspend, to revoke the suspension of these 12 MPs because it was against the norms of the rules of the parliament. But taking a very stern stand, the government has sent a message loud and clear through the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, because he has said that he's not going to consider the request of a leader of the opposition, Mallikarjun Kharge, that is revoking the suspension. He said that the House was ransacked, there was a huge ruckus in the last day of the monsoon session, and it is not the chair but the entire House which has in a way taken the action against these MPs, and the MPs have to apologize. Now we have to see as to whether the entire opposition will walk out here at where we are, Vijay Chowk, and address the media, because Lok Sabha is already adjourned. As far as the Rajya Sabha is concerned, the zero hour has started. There is this MPs who are coming out. This is what we are discussing, that the zero hour will be going on. The zero hour has started, and the MPs are coming up and putting out the most important issues which are taking place right now. It is about the floods and the heavy rainfall which is taking place in Tamil Nadu. The MP is speaking on that very issue from the Tamil Nadu. And but as far as this entire showdown between the government and the opposition is concerned, we are seeing a situation where there is going to be a show of strength by both the government as well as the opposition. Opposition leaders in the morning itself, Mallikarjun Kharge, when he was leaving from his residence for that meeting of the opposition leaders, had clearly stated that there is no question of tendering an apology, because what has happening, the suspension itself is against the rules of the parliament. Today, government just now in the House itself has sent a message loud and clear saying that no question of revoking the suspension of the MPs. The MPs have to tender apology. So which side is going to bend, or whether we are heading into a again, we know it's going to be a winter.
Does move have any kind of a parallel in history where historically something similar has happened, where members of parliament have been suspended for their behavior in a previous session?
Well, yes, in Rajya Sabha itself, when the farm laws were passed, Chaiti, 8 MPs were suspended, which again included 3 from the Congress party, 1 from Aam Aadmi party and 2 from TMC. At the same time, there was another instance where in Lok Sabha...
Due to their behavior from a previous session of the parliament?
That was also not this one, that the previous session wasn't there, but a ruckus had happened. Same government had taken a stand that they have created ruckus. But as far as this very issue, this very case is concerned...
So hence it is safe to say that it's never happened in the past that you've got sitting members of the parliament in the upper house suspended over their behavior from the previous session.
Well, the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha himself has given the reason and has countered this argument which has been given by the opposition. He's saying that Rajya Sabha is a continuous session. It's continuously in session, and the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha as well as the House itself has the right to suspend its member for any behavior which has taken place in that very session or in the previous session. So before, giving out this message that he's not going to consider the request from the leader of the opposition, the chairperson, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu himself has told the reason, saying that there are these provisions as far as the Rajya Sabha laws are concerned, because it's a continuous house, the proceedings are continuously monitored. So there is a right both by the chairperson as well as the House to suspend any member of parliament for his behavior in the current session which is going on or in the previous session. So this is what the case is being built up by the government as far as this entire issue is concerned. concerned. But yes, one thing is for sure, which I was just saying, we know we were expecting it's going to be a stormy winter session, but whether it's going to head towards a complete washout, which we had seen in the monsoon session, is to be seen as to what is going to be the next move of the opposition parties. Because right now the information we are getting is that some of the members are saying that what is the use of going and meeting the chairpersons once again, because already the request has been declined. Earlier the information was that a lot of opposition party leaders wanted to meet chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, Mr. Naidu, around 12 noon, and they had wanted to request that whether this suspension should be revoked and what can be the way out. So we have to see that the opposition, whether it boycotts the entire session or whether it protests, it leads it to the washout of this session. That is
Coming
yet
in,
to be seen.
Rajya Sabha Chair Venkaiah Naidu says will not revoke the suspension of the 12 MPs, and they will not revoke the suspension of 12 opposition MPs. That's what the Rajya Sabha Chair Venkaiah Naidu has been saying. Suspended MPs did not express remorse, and hence the revoking of the suspension is out of the question at the moment, according to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Venkaiah Naidu. That's the breaking news coming in, taking this across to Supriya. Supriya, you've been tracking these developments, and there's a meeting that is being chaired by Rahul Gandhi on this very issue. Any updates coming in from that front?
Well, I would like to just draw your attention as to what the Rajya Sabha chairperson has said. He had said when he started on this very issue, on the suspension of the MPs issue today, he said that bitter experience of the last monsoon session will continue to haunt most of us. I was expecting and waiting for the leading lights of the House to take lead in expressing outrage over what happened in last session. Such assurances would have helped me in appropriately handling the matter, but unfortunately it will not be. So here are the dragons drawn from both the side. We are just hearing that some of the opposition leaders have gathered in the Central House of Parliament. They are chalking out the next strategy. We have to still see what is going to be the stand of the opposition party leaders, how they are going to take it further on. But one thing is for sure, that it is going to be a really massive showdown. It's a full-blown war, not just the war of words, but there will be protests inside and outside the parliament on this very issue, Sheti.
All right, so this is the big story that we're bringing to you at the moment, and Supriya is tracking all the developments very closely. She's also getting us the inside details and the inside track of this particular meeting that is going on, which is being chaired by Rahul Gandhi. At the moment, there is a suspension showdown that is going on, where the Rajya Sabha chair has said that he will not revoke the suspension of the suspended MPs for the moment. This suspension of 12 MPs has become the biggest flashpoint, and this perhaps could lead to a washout or not. It's a wait and watch for now. Supriya, what is your sense that you're picking up as far as the apology is concerned? Would they relent and apologize? Because if they do not apologize and boycott, there perhaps could be a washout of this session as well.
Well, this is what a lot of MPs fear, because they want that discussion should take place. There are very key burning issues like price rise, issues like floods in southern states, whether it's Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Also, a lot of MPs are concerned about the COVID situation, because this new variant which is coming from South Africa has brought in a lot of fears back. And today also when we spoke to the MPs, they said that they want that government should come out, tell the House what is their strategy to deal with this new variant of the COVID-19. And at the same time also, both the sides are maintaining that the discussion should happen. There should be regular debates which should happen on the issues in both the houses. Today Congress has given a notice on the price rise issue, but it's like the Lok Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. And this is what a lot of MPs are fearing, Cheti. They are saying that it seems that we are heading towards another washout, because monsoon session was completely a washout. And some of the MPs are saying that the showdown from both the sides will really be very high, because the opposition is coming up with this theory that they have ensured that government is on the back foot with repealing of the farm laws. So they want to exert more pressure before those crucial 5 state assembly elections, which we will be heading in after the winter session will get over, which includes Punjab, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Goa, and even these northern states. So this is what we are hearing from the opposition quarter. They are
for a
not
second,
going to go back.
listening in to Adhiranjan Chaudhary at the moment.
कि दोनों सदन में ही जो नुमाइंदे आते हैं, ये नुमाइंदे को बोलने का, अपना बात रखने का मौका देना चाहिए, लेकिन ये सरकार ये मौका नहीं देना चाहते हैं। साथ साथ ये डरा के धमका के और सस्पेंशन की जो हथियार है उसको अख्तियार करते हुए विपक्ष को डराना चाहते हैं, विपक्ष की जबान बंद कराना चाहते हैं। इसलिए हम लोग आज लोकसभा के अंदर हमारे जो साथियां हैं, हम मिलकर इस विषय पे हम विरोध किया, ये मुद्दे को लोकसभा के अंदर रखने का भी कोशिश किया, लेकिन यहाँ भी हमें मौका नहीं मिला और 2 बजे तक ये सदन एडजॉर्न कर दिया गया। इसलिए हम लोग अपना बात रखने का भी मौका हमें गंवाना पड़ा। तो बात यह कि हम ये विरोध करते हुए मैडम सोनिया गांधी जी, बालू जी और बाकी जो लीडर्स है सबकी अगुवाई में हम लोग बॉयकॉट भी, वॉकआउट भी किए हैं। आज वॉकआउट इसलिए किया, हम जानते हैं कि ये मसला राज्यसभा की है, लेकिन हम सब चुने हुए नुमाइंदे हैं। राज्यसभा ये लोकसभा, हम नुमाइंदे तो होते हैं, तो कोई नुमाइंदे के ऊपर हमलावर हो सरकार, तो दूसरी सभा में हम लोग चुप नहीं बैठ सकते। इसीलिए हम ये विरोध करते हुए इन लोगों के साथ जो राज्यसभा में